There is no doubt that this year is coming to an end, but you can make the year 2025 a great year for you. If you want to make millions online by next year, then you need to learn a digital skills. I will be revealing to you 5 high income digital skills that are in high demand and platforms to learn it for free. I'm also going to expose you to different platforms where you can get paid after you are done learning your skills. Number one, AI and machine learning. We are in the era of artificial intelligence and machine learning. All businesses across the globe are utilizing the latest technology to build their online business and speed up their workflow. So as a result of this, the artificial intelligence and machine learning is one of the best skills you need to learn between now and 2025. And to learn it for free, all you need to do is to go to YouTube and search for free code camp /AI and machine learning. And it's going to bring a lot of videos that are related to artificial intelligence and machine learning, whereby you can start learning immediately. The second website where you can learn AI and machine learning is Simply Learn. All you need to do is to type in the search bar Simply Learn Artificial Intelligence, and it is going to take you to the YouTube channel of Simply Learn, whereby you can learn all of these skills for free. As you can see, there are a lot of artificial intelligence and machine learning video that you can start watching and you can learn today. Then the third website is udemy.com. If you need to learn any digital skill, then Udemy is one of the best place to be. And in order to learn any course, all you need to do is to type in the search bar. For instance, you want to learn AI and machine learning, just type in AI and machine learning. Once you are done typing, then you can search for it. Now that it is downloading, now to get started for free, all you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom, then you click on price, then you check mark the free one, and it's going to filter it according to all the available AI and machine learning courses on Udemy. As you can see, these are some of the AI and machine learning that you can learn on Udemy for free. And it is going to show you all the AI and machine learning courses that you can learn on Udemy for free. As you can see, all of them are free. For the remaining skills that I'm going to talk about in this video, you are going to use the same platform that I've shown you earlier, like Free Code Camp, Simply Learn and Udemy, to learn all of them. So basically, these are one of the best 3 websites where you can learn any digital skills for free. Number two, full stack web development. In this digital age, everybody that owns a business need websites because everybody needs to build an online presence. That is why full stack web development is one of the best skills that you can learn online. So in order to learn it, you can come to any of these platforms that I've shown you earlier on. All you need to do is to type in the name of the platform that you are, then you can type in /full stack web development. Then you click on search. Now that it's downloading, you can see all the free courses that you can learn for free at freecodecamp.org YouTube channel. Or you can also use Simply Learn to search for what you want to learn, and you can use Udemy as well. Number three, digital marketing. Digital marketing is a way of selling products online. So, and this is one of the best high in demand skills that can fetch you a lot of money. So if you are looking for any skill to learn, then digital marketing is one of them. And you can learn it using any of these 3 platforms that I've shown you, either Udemy, Simply Learn or Free Code Camp. You just search for anything you want to learn. Please watch this video till the very end because I'm going to show you how you can make money with all of these skills after you are done learning. Also, if you really enjoyed this video, please support my channel by subscribing to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Number four, mobile app development. So the mobile app development skill is one of the best skills that you can learn. If you are looking for high income skill that can make you become independent, then you can consider learning mobile app development. To get started learning, you can learn it for free using any of these platforms that I've shown you earlier on. Number five, web design. There are a lot of platforms out there whereby you can use the drag and drop builder to build a website. One of them is WordPress. So if you need to learn a web design online, then you can start learning WordPress using either Udemy or any of the platform I've shown you. All you need to do is to search for anything you wanted to learn and you'll be able to get started for free. Congratulations if you made it up to this point. It is now time to let you know how you can turn your high income skill into money, whereby you can be making a living as a digital entrepreneur. The first one is fiverr.com. So you can become a freelancer whereby you work for people and you get paid. Another website is upwork.com. All you need to do is to sign up using your email. Then you can start working for different clients. There are a lot of digital skills that can be done here. Another place to get hired is known as remote.co. So this is a remote job website where you can work for clients and get paid. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create a detailed video on how you can start freelancing on any of these websites. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.